True. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Hello, good morning. Yes, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are at in the world, and welcome to the Savanh Family Show. And whenever you see a successful person, a successful business, a successful family, it's because somebody once made a courageous decision. So, the big question is this: how do married couples who have high-performing businesses face challenges daily, raise multiple,
yet passionate and happy like when we first dated?
That is the question, and this show will give you the answers.
Welcome to the Savanh Family Show.
Master your relationship, your life now. Friday, and we may see some glitches here and there, but we have a pretty big storm happening outside. So, hey, if this is your first time watching us, we just wanted to welcome you. My name is Sys Phyllis. This is my beautiful wife, my amazing business partner, Phyllis Savanh.
Hi.
And we're going to start here, but let's celebrate the wins. So, or share with us what you are grateful for. And, you know, we have mentioned this before. We want to create an environment where roses. We all stop and be present, because there are tons of things that we can be grateful for, as well as a million things that we can actually celebrate, but yet we don't. And we really want to, just kind of like a muscle, we really want to help you practice this every single day, so that you can really create the life that you really want, right? Create an extraordinary life.
Yeah, so baby, what are you grateful for? What are the wins that you wanted to celebrate?
You know, I was really grateful for, you know, just really being able to be here and do this. Because, you know, technology issues this morning, got rain happening outside, and yet I woke up and had my beautiful family right here with me and had my cup of coffee, and it's Friday. It's, you know, close to the end of the week, and we have had an amazing week so far, right? And, so that's it. That's just, I want to celebrate that, you know, at the end of it all, there were things that happened this week, but I am actually more focused on the things that went really, really well.
Yes, where your focus go, your energy flow, and we truly help out a lot of students on their career, and help them, you know, unclog their mind, help them move forward with, you know, some leverage for time. You know, it is amazing. So.
Yes, amazing, amazing, amazing. So if your week hasn't gone, you know, as according to plan, or whatever you planned it at, it's okay. You know, at the end of the day, you still got a couple more days. Let's crush it. 3 days.
Everything is a gift.
Yeah, everything's a gift.
So you just have to figure out what is the gift coming from the challenges, right?
And today today is Influencer Day, so we're sharing with you something we learned from Brendon Burchard.
Yes.
Brendon Burchard.
Who love Brendon Burchard here? You're not typing down below. Let us know. Are you a big fan of Brendon Burchard too?
Yes. I watched this a while ago, actually, and I just felt like I needed to share this with you, because right now, where the world is, decisions, well, not just right now, but all in general in life, you know, our decisions really shape our destiny, right? Yes. And this format is a very simple format to share, really, especially if you're a business owner, right? So let's look at it this way. You have a product, service, information you are looking to sell, whether it's online or offline. It just doesn't matter. You're looking to sell something or provide a service, or really you feel that your products or service is so that will, you know, it will impact people's lives, and that you're doing a disservice by not selling them, and you want to sell it to them, but, you know, you're either, you know, sitting there cramming information down your clients' throats, or you're really, really kind of understanding this model really gets you as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as a leader of your company, to really understand your client's world, what they're going through, their decision-making process. Okay, and that's what we're going to share with you. So today's topic is how to make hard choices, right? And really to do it with this, and your ideal clients, their model of the world is they make decisions in three easy, really 3 steps, really, in order for them to make the decision to buy from you or somebody else. Okay, it doesn't matter. They're gonna buy. They're gonna buy that service, that information, that product from somebody. And if you want it to be you, you have to understand their world.
Yes.
Okay. So, and if you have not watched our previous shows or any type of our episodes, please go back and watch it. We have a ton of value-added content. We are looking to always impact your life. So let's get started with today's topic. We're going to share with you 3 steps, but in terms of decision maker, right, babe? How important is it to understand your client's world, what they're going through, what they're thinking, what they're feeling, everywhere before they make a decision? How important is that?
It is very important, especially right now when I'm training my team. I realize that, we have been in sales for such a long time. Sometimes and we're just doing it, right? You talk about the unconscious consciousness. You don't know what you already know. And while I'm training them, I realize that, wow, actually I know quite a bit, and I need to transfer that to them. And the number one thing is, I understand that you already know that, but how can you get them to know what you know? How can you get them to make the same decision that you would have made? How do you be able to understand their world? How do you go into their world and pull them out and let them know that, hey, this is really what you need, you are really looking for right now?
Yes. In the marketing world, they have this format called, which will guide you through in another episode, because we can go really deep into it. Vehicle, internal, external. So that really decision making. And in the world of credibility, it also goes based on the credibility, confidence. So we're going to share a little bit about it. So the very first step your ideal clients are thinking about is, does it work? Step that they look at before they make a decision. Does it work? And in the marketing world, that has to do with the vehicle, right? What that means is they look at it as this thing that you are presenting to me. Does it work?
Yes.
Does this vehicle, does this new opportunity, this new way, right? This new framework right now, does it really work?
Yes.
Right? And in the 3 C's world, it's the credibility.
Yep.
Does that make sense? Either you are showing it that it works for you and what you've done, or you are showing it through other people's social proof to share, hey, by them applying this 5-step framework that I have, this is what happened, right?
Yes.
Or by them, applying this recipe, this is exactly what came out of it. So your ideal clients are thinking that as you're presenting to them throughout your presentation, or at the end when they're ready to make a decision, they are asking themselves, does it work?
Yes.
Okay. So
absolutely, I think that's very thing that you tell them, right? Is it simple enough? Does it really work for them? Because that's the first question that they ask. Does it work? If it works, then I might be interested in it.
Most definitely. And then the second question that they're asking themselves is, can they do it?
Yes.
Right? Does it work? Can they do it? And this has to, in the marketing world, has to do with internal.
Yes.
Right? Internal. And in the 3 C's world, so you go from credit, and the second C of that is really comfortability, right? Can they do it? Comfortability with you, that you are going to be the one that helps trust. It has a lot to do with trusting you, and internal belief that they can actually do it, right? It's a very, very simple format to do. Can they do it? And can I do it? If I take this vehicle, if I get into this vehicle, if I choose to buy this thing, if I apply these 5-step framework, I know it works for you, I know it works for others, but can I do it?
Yes.
That's very, very important. Can I do it? And then you have to craft your message to say, yes, it's easy, it's simple, it's applicable, right? It's you got to make it digestible, and you got to chunk up, you chunk it down from them, right? And just like, oh, this massive thing. Yes, you chunk it down. Like, for example, when we teach people to say, yes, we can help you take your business online. And can you do it? Can you do it? Yes, because we hold you by the hand. We give you step by step every single day to do for the next 20 days, so that, by day 21, you're able to launch your business. Wow, I can actually do this because Sys and Phyllis really take me step by step every single day. They chunk it down daily to daily tasks, daily teaching, daily tasks, daily teaching, daily tasks, to the point where 20 days later, I have my full-blown course. Yes, I can do this. right?
Perfect.
And then ask it, is it easy?
Yes.
Is it easy, right? And in the marketing world, that's your external, the resources that you are providing, external resources that will help them say, gosh, this is easy, right? Hey, not only do we hold you by the hand, but we have these templates, we have these tools, we have this, the funnel, for example, right? This is our funnel. We actually already have the template. All you have to do is change, those things. You change the color, your text, your photos, your video, and structure, move things around. So we provide you that already. PowerPoint presentation, we provide that for you already. You just have to put in your information. So explaining what we provide as far as our offer to them, right? And they're gonna like, this is easy. Yeah, you don't even have to create your own PowerPoint. We teach you how the science behind, how to make that proven PowerPoint convert, right?
Yes.
So, and we give you the PowerPoint, and you're like, oh my gosh, I got to do that. So yes, this is easy. So again, these are three very simple questions that need to be answered, because your messaging, if you really want to lead your clients to a yes. The ultimate purpose is get a yes, right? You're answering questions, you're answering objections, and these are some of the questions, objections they have, and you have to answer them so that it ultimately leads the client to say yes.
Yes, an example for weight loss, right?
Yeah.
So, is it easy? Yes, it is absolutely easy. Usually say, well, yeah, it's very easy. You just have to spend 5 minutes a day doing this specific workout, and and then you will be able to lose the weight, right? Does it work? Testimonial, like, look, this person before and after. Wow, this is. Can I do it? Then that is the question that they have to overcome and tell you, hey, and then that's where you have to also focus on the target audience. What the target audience that you're working on, right? So my husband always like to make fun of me. He's always like to make fun of me and say, this lose weight diet way has to be.
Don't make fun of her. I was choosing as an example.
Is I love carbs. So if you have a weight that say, hey, you can lose weight and it's really easy and you can still eat carb while you're doing it, this is gonna go.
Yep.
Right. So can I do it? Wow. If I can eat carb, wait, yeah, I can do it. Okay, I'm gonna buy it.
Yep.
However, right now I haven't really seen a lot of those programs out there. So if you have a program, message down below because I would love to know about that. Right. Say that is non-tech savvy, kind of like him. He's really not good at computer at the very beginning, but he has a really strong message. He wanted to help the world. He wanted to help people to get to their, to get to their goals, right? And obviously I'm a nerd, so I will be able to help him. But throughout the journey, we found out that, wow, it's actually not really hard at all. We know how to simplify them so that you tech savvy. So then, the messaging, again, you go back to, is it easy? Yes, it is very easy because we're going to show you step by step exactly how to do it. Worry about which camera should I be using? What kind of lighting should I be using? Should I use my phone? Should I buy? Right? Does it work? Obviously it works because, you're looking at us right now. So I know that is working, right? Can they do it? Can you do it? Of course you can, because we're going to, again, show you step by step how easy it is to make it work so that it will work for you too. Because again, if this dinosaur can do it, I know you can do it too.
T-Rex. Yes.
So again, that is kind of like the messaging you want to make people feel, wow, okay, so it's easy. Okay, I can do it too. Okay, if he can do it, I can do it too. Okay, does it work? Obviously, it works because, you guys we have products that we are, sending out to the world to help people to get the same result that we're getting. Okay, so it does work. Okay, maybe I will check it out. Maybe I will sign up, right? I think I will sign up because I can really relate to them. I know that they're trustworthy. Deliver, I know that they will bring me to my finish line. Okay, so fine, I would just sign up for it. So again, what would you want to send to your client? What kind of messaging are they? Again, different client have different needs and different expectation. So what are the client, and will you be able to allow them to do this 3-step decision making so that they will buy the product that you're offering?
Yes, most definitely. So my brothers and sisters out there, if you like this, if you're an entrepreneur right now, button as well as comment for us real quick, and if there's something you want to add to this and share with the rest of the audience, please do. We are always very humbling to learn as well, so share with us. And then if you know somebody that needs to really listen to them as well, so there's links below for you to learn more about us as well as learn more from summarize everything today.
Yes.
Your ideal clients they do a 3-step process in decision making before they purchase anything. Does it work? Can they do it? And is it easy? So your messaging, everything that you are writing or creating, really just answer these questions for them.
Yes.
And then when you get to the point where you're ready to sell them and make the offer, you don't have to worry about it because they've already made up their mind as you're walking through crafting the message and telling your story. Okay.
Yes.
So question of the day is, maybe something, even a take action of the day is write maybe a mini story of your company answering these questions. Okay. So we love you very, very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we look forward to